felt a kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stay a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't leave.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Saturday and today's the weekend plan. It's a very family weekend. Like, is it a family weekend? Yeah, it's a very family-based weekend because Aaron, Vaishna, Jessica and Sullivan are going to come over and we're going to spend the day together. Let me lower the TV volume. So as I was saying, Sullivan, Jessica, Aaron, Vaishna are going to come over. They're staying over today, so we're going to do a sleepover. We're going to make dinner. Can you wear t-shirt? Hey, I never see the line behind your head. See? What line you got behind? Ivan Edward, what is it? Come here. Ivan Edward. Come here. I didn't see that. Come here. Ivan Edward, why does the back of your head look like a chessboard?
What's this board?
10. Wait guys, I'll come back. Also, if you're new to my channel, Aaron is actually Ivan's cousin brother, so he's auntie's son. Sullivan is Ivan's brother, so yeah, family day. We're gonna cook today guys, we're gonna cook. Actually when we lived in the old place, in our older house, we used to gather like this all the time. That was like after pandemic days when, you know, during pandemic you don't see your family. And then when they lifted the first lockdown, do you remember they had these restrictions like cannot go out, cannot go this, but you can like travel. So they all used to come to our place and then we used to cook all day. We like put the bed in the hall, all of us used to sleep together. It was just a very nice time. And then I think life has just caught up and everyone's busy, but it's so nice that we're doing it again today. And yeah, we're gonna cook. So we are making prawn sambal. This was our menu in the old house. Prawn sambal, sodi, chili egg. I don't know if you have seen that. I will do it with you with the chili egg, and then vegetable and all that stuff. And then we're gonna go swimming. So I thought I'd just take you along in a family day. So yeah, now I actually just bought some groceries. So let's do a very quick grocery haul. I've got tofu, garlic. I didn't know this packet would be so big. Dry chili, perchas. Jessica said she needs a lot of onions, so Greek yogurt, more onion inside this. I'm not going to take it out because I'm scared it will dirty everywhere. Suhun for to put inside the sodi. Tofu lembut for my chili egg, and then more onion here. Like I've got for Jessica onion for everything. Okay, and then in this, just a bit of like tidbits. Apple juice, Vitagen, because I know Hansi likes to drink Vitagen, so I got Vitagen. Nutella, we're going to eat that now. And Super Ring, I know Sal and everybody likes this, so let's put this away. It's actually very nice to have everyone over, you know, just chill, watch TV, go to the pool. It's actually a very nice time. And technically it's also like a very relaxing Saturday. I think all of us need. It's also Chinese New Year, so happy Chinese New Year guys. Put the onions inside. Jessica said, Han, I need a lot of, please buy a lot of onions. Han, I've got all the onions in the world. Okay. I need to wash. I think I'm also going to rearrange the glasses. I think that's one thing I've learned guys, like in keeping your house right, just clean as you go. If you see something, just put it away. Because my issue is like how I've always said, I procrastinate a lot. So what happens with procrastination is everything will jumble up and then eventually one day I'll have a freak out and then I will like rush and do everything in one day. So I'm learning that to prevent major load of work is just clean as you go. See? Done. Just drying the bottle and then later we wash this. And I'm only saying later it's because the bowl needs to be soaked because just now I ate Korean noodle and it remains dried up. So we are drying it. No, we're not drying it. We're soaking it. Also, I think I can hear Aaron. Hi! Hey, you're so nice. Hello.
Why you camouflaging the floor?
See, come say hello to my vlog first. Hello!
Stop. I look damn oily, man.
And my life, you were out the whole day.
Then you have to put higher. Then I have to bend down like this.
All these tall people.
Height difference.
I cannot with this all these tall people. Okay, let's go. Remember guys, she wanted onion. Okay, so
Now,
close your eyes and close.
Get the onions.
Close eyes, huh? Oh, Jessica says she need a lot of onions. Wait,
Can I touch? Can I
Okay,
feel it?
yeah.
Can I feel
No,
it?
no, you open your eyes. No, you know.
What is this?
Onion!
What so much?
You said buy a lot of onion. I even got for you pea shallots now.
Oh, okay, yes, thanks. This is small onion, right?
Yes, so, you know, of onion. Welcome to our cooking show. Hey, you want to
I'll come back.
I'm they can go. You see, I ordered first at Food Panda, then I ordered some more with Jagrosa. Because Food Panda only allowed me to buy one packet.
Oh.
So there are two different types of onion, you see. Green stable.
We should use Jagrosa or this normal one?
No, if you think I'm bad, guys, let me show you the santan she bought. So these for 6 people. I will show you. I'm coming. You all have not seen my kitchen, right? Because I rarely cook. Kitchen dah, let's go. We cook with a view.
So, mother, so this is your room. Oh, yeah. Is this the only oil for all the dishes for 6 people? Is this the only oil? OMG!
Right, you healthy cooking.
We really need oil.
And you know I moved in like 1 year already, right? That's the oil I use 1 whole year, and
So it means you don't cook, hun. You have any color?
no.
Any color, huh? It's okay.
You mean the pastel and the mortar?
Yes. Mixed தாளிப்பு இருக்கா? வெந்தயம் mixed தாளிப்பு.
என்னமோ இருக்குது.
Okay, good. You tell me where I'm going to check you. Yeah, okay, nice.
Making the sodi now, guys. And we usually put, I don't know if it's normal lah, but no, I think it's normal. I think I'm abnormal. But we usually put a lot of stuff inside the sodi. Suhun lah, pucuk lah, tofu lah. Because I always thought sodi is just sodi. I'm cutting the tofu. I've asked Ivan to buy the oil. Jessica said you must cut into half and then cut cube. Oh my god, that's an eagle.
This is done already.
Okay.
Udang also done already. Onion already. We just see how much first, yeah?
Yeah. The black is the chilla one.
Yes, correct.
Remember guys, remember all this? If you see me doing sodi, it's just water and turmeric and coconut milk. That's all. That's literally all I will do. Maybe tofu lah, I will add tofu. Like besides tofu, I won't add. Like mine will just be water, coconut milk, turmeric. Then when I post on TikTok, they'll be like, sis, நீங்க இது போடல sis. நீங்க அது போடல. எனக்கு தெரியும் நான் போடல. எனக்கு தெரியும். I know. There, guys. Bigger than her face actually. Okay.
So we're just going to fold it first so
Okay.
that we don't overuse it.
Then I've offered to make everybody Sarvu Gula Melaka later.
I'm not giving this.
Guys, they don't want to eat my dessert, guys. Please tell them I'm a very good dessert maker. Is it you don't trust my dessert?
It's delicious, guys.
Wow.
It's just
so convincing.
getting there. Just trust the process. It's getting there.
No, my one actually until the end will taste funny one. Then the end I put choco rasa and everything will be fine. Yeah.
Hi there, how are you?
They all started cooking, but didn't buy oil.
Then I got oil.
I bought oil and came, now you go and cook. It's not all drama only.
Only this much. For the most dishes, only this much.
Aaron, you know something now? For this.
I'm fine, how are you?
Baby, come and I want to tell you something. This oil, guys, I actually bought the day I'm moving in 1 year already.
That means she's living healthily. Oil and cook. Ivan மன்னிச்சிட்டா
அதோ வந்து எங்க அம்மா ஒரு 2 முன்னாடி வந்தாங்க அதனால தான் முடிஞ்சிருக்கும்
இல்ல she is doing healthy cooking.
Yeah.
So just
I used to spray.
boiling.
Guys, you've seen right? I used to spray.
Oh.
My spray got truffle.
She eating what? Rice, sashimi. What you had that day?
Sashimi.
தூங்க இன்னொன்னு வந்து வரீங்க
இவன் ஒண்ணு தூங்கவே தான்
இல்லண்ணா வேணுண்ணா
Oh my god, honey, you finished my oil already.
Closing ceremony, prawn sambar. But you must come there. Okay. It will what? It will break.
There you go.
Wait, I'm theory running.
What?
You are not running.
Oh,
the
I'm
milk will get
I'm running.
You are running.
I'm running. I said I was watching Hell's Kitchen. We got ready to just take the steak and you throw away.
Yeah, so expensive one steak. You give me that, I will just cook and eat.
The amount of steak and prawn he will just chop up.
Salmon. He will smash the salmon.
I don't understand, like, like really? Can hey.
If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black, 'cause it's black, it's all black, black water. If I had some time, I'd be biting it well, but my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given, the doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and hope God is real. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. 'Cause it's mad, yeah, it's mad. Oh, the whole world's mad. 'Cause
Say hello to my vlog.
Yo.
Yo. Guys, let me show you the menu. Cooked by our chef, Chef Jessica. Okay, so we have white rice. Guys, this one I cook, This one I cook very hard. I cook this one. We have sodi, prawn sambal, chili egg tofu something, fried prawn head, chili oil vegetable.
This one I kindran.
The fridge we have like another 2 rice.
Oh, wait, let me take me.
Oh my god!
Oh my lord.
Okay. We have something and something else. Guys, vegetable is not my forte. So yeah, this is the food. Also, if you're wondering, we didn't go swimming. We took quite some time to prepare everything.
Everyone, please.
How did I have to stand up?
Here,
Okay. Wait.
Alright, go and try. Faster, I'm taking video. No, I'm taking for your reel. Go and try. Go.
ஏய் போன் எடுடா ஊரா நம்ம நின்னுடுடா நீ It'll be restoring. His first talk to man.
No, be positive, Amma. Your Manchester United will lose all the time.
Yeah, man, tomorrow lah.
Tomorrow.
Bang, dia ke?
Suhu dia pucuk.
You pucuk sama
Salah
pucuk.
sekali ke?
But the future was boiling the longest.
Burger kan? Okay.
Let's eat, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, this looks so good.
How? Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that?
Also put the bed down.
Like Monday, Tuesday,
But we are also watching football. I mean, we are not watching. The boys are watching.
Like
It's going to be 2 a.m. guys, but we ordered Baskin Robbins, so let's have some ice cream. I cannot remember what I ordered. Oh, mine is chocolate trilogy and love potion. Guys, anybody ice cream? I bring wait Okay guys, we are all going to sleep now. It is 3:16. We're all actually, I don't know your bed, let me show you. We're actually on the dark. Everyone is ready. Okay, look at that. Everyone sleep there. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye! Bye, good night. It's a cool day. Everyone has actually left. It was the best weekend. One of the nicest weekends I've had in quite a long time. But now guys, we get to cleaning. We need to put everything back and make the kitchen look kitchenable.
Time will ease your mind, working out the ways that you'll always be right. Life carried away. If we fell apart, would you want me to stay? Why do we always start to come back together?